The Assign Elevations command allows you to automatically assign elevations to nodes such as manholes, routing junctions, and terminal outfalls based on terrain data. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate the process using manholes. From the Input ribbon menu, select Manhole Structures drop-down. In the drop-down, choose Assign Manhole Elevations. The Assign Manhole Elevations dialog box will appear. The dialog lists all manholes in the project, along with their rim and invert elevations. You can either click Pick and select manholes directly from the map, or check the boxes in the left column to select specific manholes. The total number of selected manholes is displayed at the bottom. Next, you need to choose the elevation source. After choosing the elevation source, you need to specify the manhole depth. The software extracts the rim elevation from the terrain source and then computes the invert elevation by subtracting the manhole depth from the rim elevation. Once selected, click on the Assign button. The invert elevations will be assigned based on the terrain source and manhole depth for the selected manholes.